What up, YouTube? This is your boy J Sarge Logs, aka DIY Kari, coming at you with another video. Today we talking about what are we talking about? We talking about an OBD2 scanner from Temu. I got this. Can't even remember. I got this probably 6-7 months ago, and I literally just tossed it in the corner when I got it. It was free. That's probably why I did it, because I didn't pay for it. It was free. It was the first time I opened up the app, started my account, and I knew I wanted one of these, so that's why I got that. Did I know if I was going to use it or not at the time? Not really. But now, because I'm doing a lot more on the cars that we have, I know I need it. Especially with the parking brake that's electronic in my wife's car and the other car that we have. If a code pops up when I change the brakes, I can erase that code and get rid of that code just in case. Because it's just, I don't know. It's a stupid thing, but it comes in handy. So this is something that I really wanted and really needed. As you can see, it's a little device. I know the ones at the dealerships, they got a freaking tablet size device that they use. So we're gonna see how good this works with it being so small. If it has as much use as I think it will, or any at all. I don't know. I've never used it. I've never used one of these at all. So that is gonna be something we're gonna find out together. I haven't touched it. Like I said, it went in the corner for months and it just stayed there. So, and again, let me put this out there. I'm not getting paid by Temu to do this review. This is something I just wanted to do. So before y'all say, oh, he doing a paid from, no, this is something I wanted to do myself. I didn't get paid by Temu to do this review. I'm just reviewing their product. Just put that out there now. But welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and go straight to the car. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. It's to the channels, DIY Kari, J Stars Vlogs. Without that further ado, let's go to the car. What up, YouTube? So we made it in the car. 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. And we made it in here. I already plugged this in. As soon as I plugged it in, it came on. Is that supposed to happen? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know. Again, I've never used one of these before, so I don't know if that's supposed to happen or not. But as you can see, same thing I was trying to show on the box that didn't show up. It has OBD2, battery, DTC lookup, and setup. First thing we're going to do is check the battery, which says 12.4, and I can double check that, y'all. On the car, it says 12.2, which is, to me, very close. Because 0.2, that's very, very close. Especially in engineering, that's super close. So, other than that, let's go ahead and go to the next one. OBD2. What's in that? Codes. Let's go. Again, y'all, this is my first time looking at this, so as I'm showing it, I'm seeing it first time. You gotta read codes, erase codes, freeze frame, I am readiness. I don't know what none of these are. Know what that is. Vehicle ID number, which is the VIN, calibration ID, calibration verification number. I'm not showing my VIN, that's why I got out of that. I don't know what this is, don't know what that is. Well, this, I'm pretty sure this is for testing your car, especially what it's saying, car speed, calculation, load value, engine coolant, temp, engine RPMs. Then you got the O2 sensor, then you got evap. if y'all can let me know in the comments about all of this, I would really appreciate it, because I want to keep this. I want to use it. What's DTC lookup? I'm guessing that's the lookup codes. Let's go back to OBD 2. Let's read codes. No codes are stored in the module, which doesn't surprise me. I don't have no codes right now in my car. Nothing's showing up on the dash, so that's actually good to know. All right. Again, if you can help me out with any information on how to use this, I would greatly appreciate it. This was just a quick review on me getting the OBD2 scanner, which is something I wanted to have for a while. I just never purchased one. Then I saw it on Temu when I pretty much opened the app for the first time. That was a free gift that they gave me, so I took advantage of it. And it surprised me, actually. Really surprised me. So any information that any of you can help me with, I want it. Give it to me. I am not paying for it, but give it to me. And yeah, all in all, I think I'm gonna love it. It's gonna help a lot. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna just go ahead and close this video out now. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. DIY Kari, J Starks Vlogs, and come back for the next video, because it's gonna be another Temu review, or I got something special coming for y'all. So just stay tuned. Peace out.